guys, so just before we get into the video, I wanted to talk with you guys a little bit about channel memberships as well as channel support in general. So my channel memberships are $2.99 a month, and with that you get custom emojis that you can use during live chats and whatnot. And then I also have member-only videos, which are usually a more personal look into my life. They're more blog style. And also on a sporadic basis, I do member-only giveaways. My goal, though, is to be able to do more giveaways. Not just member-only giveaways, but more giveaways in general on the channel. But I would like to reach a point where I can do at least one members only giveaway a month. As far as other channel support, there are multiple ways that you can do that, which are all in the description box below. So if you guys really enjoy my content and you guys can, maybe you could do me a favor and check out, my channel channel memberships, or check out the options for channel support in general. It is greatly appreciated. Like I said, I do have some goals where I'd like to be able to start doing more regular giveaways for you guys. So yeah, let's get into the video. Happy Friday, everybody! Welcome to another Stitch of the Week tutorial. If you're new to my channel, I'm Adrian, and Kiwi is my parrot. If you're new to this series, this series is called Stitch of the Week, and each Friday what I do is I teach you a new stitch out of this book called the New Stitch Dictionary. Maybe eventually, if we continue to do this, I will move on to a second book. This week's stitch is stitch number 12. It is called Ridges with Half Double Crochets, and it is actually similar to one that I did about 2 weeks ago called Horizontal V-Stitch Ridges. I will put I'll put a card up here if you guys are interested in watching that one. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. Alright guys, so for this tutorial I'm just using a bit of scrap yarn that I have, and a 5.5mm hook. This was hand sculpted custom for me to look like Kiwi. I will put in the description box not only where you guys can get this hook, but also where you can get the book that we're working from. So to start this particular stitch out, we're going to do a slip knot. Is it slip knot? Slips? Yeah, we're going to put a slip knot on our hook. And we are going to chain any number of stitches that you would like, plus 2. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and do a chain of 12. Alright. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to place a half double crochet in the third chain from our hook. So right there, and then we're just gonna half double crochet all the way across. And then we are going to go ahead and chain up 2 and turn our work. We are going to be working into these horizontal bars here. And we're going to go from the bottom up, and we're just going to work our half double crochet right in there. And we're going to do that all the way across. This should be stitch number 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so to start the next row, we're just going to chain up 2, and we're going to do the same thing. And you can see that there's already a ridge starting here, or there's a ridge right here. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to be working into that horizontal bar right there. And we're just going to work that all the way across. Both sides of this stitch will look the same, so you're going to have ridges on both sides. And as you can see, it works up pretty quick. The way half double crochets are, it makes it a little bit easier to get underneath that horizontal bar there. So it's actually working up pretty quickly. So this is what it's looking like on this side. And then if we flip it over, we have a ridge on this side. I'm going to go ahead and work up a couple more rows and then meet back up with you guys to give you my thoughts on this stitch and to show you what my swatch looks like. Okay guys, so this is what my little swatch looks like. This side's got 2 rows of ridges, and then if you flip it over, this side also has 2 rows of ridges. They're actually staggered, so you know there's the one on this row is on my side, and then this one is on y'all's side, and so on and so forth, which I think is pretty cool. Like I said, I did another stitch out of this book called the Horizontal V-Stitch Ridges. That one was a little bit more difficult to work. It was a little harder to get underneath those horizontal bars than what it was when doing it with the half double crochet. Again, this is a stitch that I could see myself maybe using with a blanket. It adds a nice texture. I don't know. I'm surprised once again because I usually don't like half double crochet. But I could see myself using this to work up, you know, maybe a sweater. It's more of a closed stitch, so probably a sweater or something for a winter wearable. But anyways, guys, if you have used this stitch before, let me know in the comments below if you have any thoughts or opinions about it. If you do have pictures of a project that you made with this stitch, go ahead and take pictures, and you can send them to me in to my email, which is in my description box. I'd love to see them. Maybe I could, you know, make some kind of a slideshow or something of different things that people have made with the stitches that I've done a tutorial on so far. Something of that nature, I don't know. But anyways, guys, that is the stitch of the week, and I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I will see you in the next one. Bye!